random from a well shuffled pack of 52 cards. In which of the following cases are the events E and F are independent events? What is condition for independent events? You have to prove that P of E intersection F equal to P of E into P of F. Then we call that E and E comma F are independent events. Otherwise, they are dependent events only. So now the first question, the given event E is given, card is drawn is spade. How many spade cards are there in a pack? There are 13 spade cards are there. And now how many ace cards? 4 ace cards. How many black cards? 26 black cards. How many king cards? 4. Yeah, king 4, queen 4, queen 4 and jack also 4. This is the data which is given. So now our job is to calculate P of E, P of F and intersection also you have to calculate. Let us go to first bit. Card is drawn is spade. How many spade cards are there? There are 13 spade cards are there. 13 spade cards. Okay, out of 52. So now probability of E is 13 by 52. So that is 1 by 4. Now F. How many ace cards are there? There are 4 ace cards. 4 ace cards are there. And probability for ace P of F that equal to 4 by 52, 1 by 13. So now we can take intersection. What is called intersection? E intersection F. E intersection F means spade and ace. So one card is there, spade and ace, one card. There only one card is there. That means probability of E intersection F is 1 by 52. And calculate P of E into P of F, calculate if it is matching or not. 1 by 4 into 1 by 32. 13. So the value is 1 by 52. So this is 13. So that is equal to P of E intersection F. So finally what you can conclude? P of E intersection F equal to P of E into P of F. So that what you can call E comma F are independent events. That is first case. Clear now? Next, second case, E card is drawn as black card. How many black cards are there? There are 26 black cards are there. So probability of black is 26 by 52, that is 1 by 2. How many king cards are there? Are 4 king cards as I already explained. So probability of king, that is probability of F is 4 by 52, that is 1 by 13. So E intersection F, black and king cards. So generally if we each color black, there are 2 types of colors are there. Okay, so one is spade, other one is clubs, that is total. So club and spades are there, but here black and king. Black means there are 2 sets of black cards are there, black and king. Kings of 4 are there, 2 are black, 2 are red. That means black and king. So there are 2 cards are there. Okay, so probability of E intersection F equal to 2 by 52, 1 by 26. So now P of E into P of F also calculate. P of E into P of F, that equal to 1 by 2 into 1 by 13, that is 1 by 26. So that P of E intersection F equal to P of E into P of F. In this case, E comma F are independent events only. That is the case 2. Second question over. Now come to third question. So is a card drawn is king and queen. How many king cards? 4 king cards, 4 queen cards. That means king and queen total 8 cards are there. Probability of E. E means what? 4 plus 4, 8. 8 out of 52. That is 2 by 4 table cancel, 2 by 13. So 4 2s, 4 13s cancel. Same thing, how many queens are there? There are 4 queen cards and 4 jack cards. Therefore probability of F, that same thing like 8 by 52, 2 by 13. So E intersection F. Here E intersection F means common chords. What are common chords for both? Q is common. Okay, so that is Q. E intersection F is Q chords. How many Q chords? 4. Therefore, P of E intersection F, that is 4 by 52, 1 by 13. P of E into P of F, how to get 2 by 13 into 2 by 13, that is 4 by 169, which is not equal to P of E intersection F. That means what you can conclude finally. So P of E intersection F is not equal to P of E into P of F. So that E comma F are not independent events. They call you can call as dependent events. They call dependent events. Okay, I hope clear now. So if the P of E intersection F equal to P of E into P of F, they are independent. Otherwise, they are not independent events. They are not independent events only. So now this is not matching the product. Product is what? 4 by not equal intersection 1 by 13. So they are not independent events only. Check what they are given. First question independent. Second also other is not independent events only.